Babente, kumama to my channel. Abene for watching. This is Arasa Malik, and this video right here is going to be the third language video in this Balanta series, and this one is going to be a little bit different. I'm back home, and I decided to change up like the theme of these videos. So the first two were about just basic greetings and things that had to do with like meeting somebody. This one is actually going to be about the days of the week. So the calendar days of the week. So that's Monday through Sunday. One thing I learned recently while researching and learning about the days of the week is that Balantas, they start their days of the week on Monday, whereas people in the West, in America, we start our days of the week on Sunday, technically. But the reason for that is Balantas, they say their days of the week based off the work days. So the first work day of the week is technically Monday. Sunday, normally people don't work, even though that's the first day of the week in America. So as far as this video is concerned, the first day of the week is going to be a Monday. So to get started, how to say Monday is actually, well, how to say any day of the week, you're literally going to say the day, which is Fleh. Fleh means day. And then you're going to say first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. All of those words in the language. So for Monday, since Monday is the first day in the Balanta language, that would be Fleh Kititn. Fleh Kititn. Kititn is first. So the first day is Fleh Kititn. That's Monday. Now Tuesday, the day I was born, is Fleh Finsible. Fleh Finsible. Fleh Finsible is Tuesday, or the second day. The third day, Wednesday, is Fleh Fa'abal. Fa'abal is third. Fleh is day. So the third day, Wednesday, is Fleh Fa'abal. So the fourth day, Thursday, is Fleh Fintasal. Fleh Fintasal. Fleh Fintasal is Thursday, or the fourth day. Friday, the fifth day, is Fleh Tchifni. Fleh Tchifni. Fleh Tchifni is the fifth day, Friday. Actually, that reminds me of something, and it's going to be the promo for the next video. So the next video I'm going to make is going to be about numbers, and fun fact for that video, a sneak preview, is that the number 5 is Chief, and the fifth day of the week is Tchifni. Fleh Tchifni, Friday, right? So Saturday now is Fleh Fyam. Fleh Fyam. Fleh Fyam is Saturday. And now last day, Sunday, which is the seventh day, is Fleh Kintikeh. Fleh Kintikeh. Fleh Kintikeh is Sunday, and that's the last day of the week, the seventh day of the week in the Balanta culture and language. And today's a Monday, or Tuesday now, and well, I should say today is Fleh Finsible, and that's all I have for you today. It's a quick video, but be sure to stay tuned and subscribe and like this video. Also, keep sharing this video. I think the last video did better than the first one because so many people shared it on Facebook and all types of different platforms. So I really appreciate everyone who shared the video, the last language video. So please do the same on this one, and be sure to be on the lookout for the next video, which is going to be numbers. Bene.